Guys, look at these colors out here. One of my most favorite places to come camping when I've just got a last minute adventure that I want to get out on. It's Sunday evening. Got to be to work tomorrow, but to be able to just run up the mountain here and have a nice evening out. Gonna build a campfire, enjoy this scene, cook some food. Glad to have you guys on board. Well guys, got a nice, warm, comfortable fire going here. Got plenty of firewood, so that's great. Actually brought a steak as well as a portobello mushroom to cook up on the skillet for dinner. So I'm gonna let this fire burn down and get ourselves a nice bed of coal so we can cook up a nice skillet steak over the campfire. And with this view out here, it's pretty unreal. Gonna sit around the campfire, enjoy some whiskey, some steak, and hang out with you guys here living some van life. Well, truth be told, guys, I probably actually ruined this steak, technically. I got too busy filming, wasn't paying attention to what the steak was doing in the skillet, and I burned one side of it. That's alright though, we're out here learning this stuff. Definitely take a little bit of practice to get used to cooking in a skillet over a campfire. But you know what, that's the good thing about solo camping. At least I didn't ruin somebody else's dinner. Just ruined mine. But you know what, nonetheless, it actually still is very, very tasty. Just got to eat around the burn parts. It's alright. Well, I managed to get through the burnt steak. Truth be told, it was actually pretty darn good. I actually really enjoyed it. I just cut the burnt part off, threw it away, and enjoyed the rest of the steak, which was actually really well flavored. And yeah, it worked out overall. Not a bad thing. I can't complain. Well, I think that about does it for this here van adventure. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, all of the above. I'm gonna get out of here for the night and enjoy this fire and enjoy the view. Peace out. Keep on trucking.